Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit, and I have an idea today that I was thinking. I had a question from someone in my junk journal Facebook group, and she said, how do I display a journal at like a vendor or a craft fair without having it kind of destroyed by people touching it? So I had this great idea. I think it's a great idea to use the plastic sheet protectors, and I generally pick up sheet protectors at thrift stores. I love them for organizing in general anyway, but if you had to buy them new, that would be fine too, because it's worth it, because you are protecting the reusable, you know, and you're protecting each page. So really all you need are the page protectors and maybe these clips. If you have larger pages, you may end up needing a stapler as well. So you could take the page and then just trim it, giving it, you know, a big, like a lot of extra room, and then you just staple along the edges there. So this is like a Reader's Digest size journal. What size is this? It is like 7.5 by 5.5, so 5 by 7 essentially, and they're more than sufficient. And then you can just take a chunk. So it depends on how big your pages are. I wouldn't do every page. I mean, you're just kind of giving them a glimpse into, and that's probably the majority of people are just kind of curious. That's all that they're going to need to see anyway. This page didn't really, oh, I see what I did. This page didn't really fit because of the tab. And I thought, oh, I can leave that one open. That's fine. But yeah, you can, you know, just do big chunks of pages, and then you just take a big chunk of page and your protector, which has been cut. Basically, these were just cut in half, and you just slide them in there, and then use some kind of a clip. I used these little binder clips, but you can use large paper clips. Probably small ones work too. These kind of binder clips, clothespin clips. So usually you've got something like that. So that should do it. And then you can let people kind of nose through here, and you don't have to worry about them walking away with little charms and pocket tags and things like that. So I hope you enjoy this idea. I really loved it. So glad to come up with a solution for this. So yeah, good luck selling your journals at the craft fairs. And if you're interested in seeing journals that I have for sale in my Etsy shop and other items, I have a lot of paper bundles, come on and check it out. So I even have my 1800s paper bundle. So if you're interested in getting a pack of paper from the 1800s, I have that available. And as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.